Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're in the garden, but earlier on I've been down the supermarket and we've been having a look for the monthly magazines, and we have found a different magazine produced by Kitchen Garden. And this is How to Kitchen Garden Grow Month by Month. So I thought we'd give you a look round and see what we've got in here. So what's inside is a how-to guide, 15 packets of seeds, plus wall planner, your indispensable guide to growing delicious food at home. So the cost is £9.99 and it's worth over £30. In Tesco's this was selling for £9.99, but in Asda they've got a rollback price of £8.99. So sounds a bit of a deal, so it had to be done. But one thing just to be aware of, when this was scanned through the till at Asda, it was still charged at £9.99. So just one fact to be careful of. And all you need to know to pick nutritious food from your garden, allotment or greenhouse. 15 packets of seeds, and we can see one of the packets of seeds here with some flowers. And on the back, your indispensable guide to growing delicious food at home, a month by month guide to all essential tasks to do on your veg patch. Great for beginners and more experienced growers. Bags of detailed advice, includes advice on starting a new plot from scratch. And coming soon is how to grow veg, patio veg, how to grow food for your kitchen, and grow greener, which is due February 17th, March 21st, May the 5th and June the 9th. So it looks like a small series of magazines that they are bringing out. So let's have a look inside. So let's have a look at what we've got inside. So as we can see, we've got a few packets of seeds, and we've got the grow month by month. We've got grow your own 2022, the year after Kings. So it's a little catalogue with King seeds, and we do have a guide. So that just seemed to be a catalogue and a magazine. So let's have a look at the seeds that we got. So as the packet says, we get 15 packets of seeds. So let's have a look at what we got. The first one we got is beet leaf. This can be sown March to July, and it's the most attractive vegetable. Crimson stems, we've got dark green leaves and red ribs, and we get 100 seeds. So rhubarb chard, beet leaf. We've also got salad leaves, and this is mustard red frills. This can be sown all year round. Superb deep red green shoots with mild fiery mustard flavour. Easy and fast growing in the plot or containers. The next one we got is sweet corn, and this is golden bantam. Early maturing heirloom variety, producing 6-foot tall plants, early to harvest, sweet cobs of a very good size. So these can be sown April, May, plant out May, June, harvest August, September. The next one we got is radicchino. This is a Mediterranean vegetable with white veined red leaves, popular added to salads. Has a characteristic bitter, spicy taste which reduces when cooked, either grilled or roasted. So this can be sown April through to August, plant out May through to September, and harvest June through to October. We get 700 seeds. And the next we got is cauliflower, and this is all the year round. A good old standby and gardener's favourite, reliably producing white curds from early summer to autumn for successional sowings. This can be sown January right through to March or September and October, and harvested from June right through to October. And we have 225 seeds in that packet. So that's the first bundle. We look at the second bundle, and this is squash, winter Waltham butternut. Trailing plant produces elongated pear-shaped buff-coloured fruits with a deep inner flesh. Delicious roasted or made into soups. So these can be sown April, May, June, plant out May, June, and harvest September, October. And we get 10 seeds in that packet. The next one we get is cucumber, and this is Marketmore. This is a ridge cucumber, an outstanding ridge slicing type with dark green 8-inch fruits, strong plants and have good disease resistance. So these can be sown April, May, plant out June, harvest August, September, and we have 25 seeds in that packet. The next we have is some hardy annuals, and this is dwarf mix. And dwarf is easy to grow, hardy annual mix, ideal for splashes of colour towards the front of the border. So these can be done March, April, May, June, and flowers from July, August, September, and we get 100 seeds. The next one we got is lettuce, and this is red salad bowl. This is a large loose head made up from massed dark green serrated leaves, full of flavour, adding colour to salads. Ideal for individual picking, as cut and come again. This can be sown from February right through to July, plant out April through to August, and then harvest 10 weeks from sowing. And we get 1,000 seeds in that packet. The next one we got is courgette, and this is all green bush. Heavy yields of dark green succulent fruits with tender skins. Ideal for cooking, whole or slice, and added to stir fries. So these can be sown April, May, June, plant out May, June, harvest July through to October. So that's the selection of that pile. We look at the last pile we got, and we got some wild flowers cornfield mix. The carefully selected mixture contains colourful annual flowers once common in cornfields. Many of these varieties are now rare and no longer seen growing in the wild. So these can be planted out March, April or August, September, and flowers from May right through to October. And we get 0.5 grams of seeds. The next one we got is carrots, and this is Chantilly Red Cord 3, an immensely popular variety. It's stump rooted with deep orange colour, smooth skin and solid, thick delicious flesh and small core, classed as a second early, often successional for exhibition growing. So these can be sown April, May, June, July, and harvest from June right through to November, and we get 1,000 seeds. We've got a couple more to go, and the next one is pak choi. This is red choi F1. Attractive red tinged leaves add colour to salads if picked as a baby leaf, or can be cooked when mature, adding a spicy flavour to dishes, and it's good for disease resistance. So these can be sown out May, June, July, August, plant out July till September, and harvest from July, right through to October, and we get 100 seeds. The next one we have is salad leaf, and this is Claytonia. It's also known as winter purslane or miner's lettuce, as it was eaten in the gold rush miners when they used to get their vitamin C to prevent scurvy. A very useful winter salad vegetable with a flavour similar to spinach and can be cooked in a similar way. So this can be sown July, August and harvested from October right through to March, and we get 200 seeds in that packet. And then the last one we have is the salad wild rocket, and this can be sown from April through to August and harvest from May right through to October. This is a stronger flavour than a normal salad rocket with finely serrated leaves, and we get 250 seeds. So that is the 15 packets of seeds that we get with the month by month magazine. So today I'm going to also have a look at the month by month magazine, and then we can decide on whether it's worth the purchase or not. So let's have a look at the magazine. So this is the How to Garden, Grow Month by Month. All you need to know to pick nutritious food from your garden, allotment or greenhouse. Gather delicious strawberries fresh from your garden. Discover the secrets of growing tasty potatoes, packed with practical tips and advice to save you cash. So we have a welcome page, and then we have a month by month at a glance page, your instant guide to the year's essential jobs. So January, plan your sowings, clear cabbages, order potatoes. February, force rhubarb, clean cold frames, etc. Quick guide at a glance. If we take a look at the next page, we get January 10-minute jobs. So pick leaves, stock up on fertilisers, order potatoes, insulate taps, and then tips of sowing onions, step by step purple sprouting broccoli, remove dead heads, etc. Plan crop rotation, jobs to do in the greenhouse, and a list of jobs to do for January. Strawberries, and then we go on to February. So there's a quick guide, strawberries, raspberries in the greenhouse, what to do in February. So we've got 10-minute jobs, and we go through throughout the months, month by month. For June, so we're going on through to November, so 10-minute jobs. Plant raspberry canes. December, 10-minute jobs. What to sow, jobs to do in the greenhouse, do it now. And there we are. So further back, we've got some offers. And then we got how to grow month by month, starting a new plot. So plot from scratch, containers, getting an allotment, and that's it. So that's the month by month guide. So then we've also found the sowing planner. So this could be useful to put on your shed, and it's got a list of all the vegetables, and then the blue lines are sowing dates, the red ones are period in the ground, and the green ones are harvesting. So we get a whole planner, and we've got some guides on the back of growing containers, sowing seeds direct. So that's the month by month magazine, the sowing planner, and the big book that we get on the back of it, which I thought was also the guide, is actually King's brochure. We're looking through the King's brochure. They do have a bit of a guide of telling you about the potatoes, big description of the varieties, and also some tips growing flowers. So for £9.99 or £8.99, that is what we get. Month by month guide, sowing planner, a King's brochure, and we get 15 packets of seeds. So if you're just starting out and you want all these seeds, it's not a bad deal. And a good guide to how to plant some of those. It's not too bad at all. So here we have a review of the Kitchen Garden month by month magazine, and if you're new to growing and you need a bundle of seeds, then that's the seeds that we've got in this edition. Slightly disappointed with the seeds. There's no tomatoes, and no beetroots, no basic for starting off a new allotment garden or new vegetable garden, but here we go. It is currently on sale in the supermarkets, and we get the sowing planner as well. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll get a review of the Kitchen Garden and Grow Your Own magazines in the next coming days. So thank you very much. Cheers.